What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Sneaker Chop, where basically I take any type of sneakers, and I mean any type of sneakers, any kind of footwear. I chop it right down the middle and let you guys see how they were made. So with that being said, let's see what's on the chopping block today. Yeah. And in today's episode, we're chopping up a pair of 2011 Nike Air Jordan Metallics with that 3M on the tongue. If I had flash on this fucking camera, I would show you guys, but I don't. These are kind of beat. See the bottoms there? Heel drag up the ass. These some try to paint them, repaint them up. Kind of tell right there. Alright, let's get on with the show. Alright, let's gotta start by cutting off these fucking laces. Alright, here we go, guys. There's that tongue. It got 2 layers of padding. And it comes out with that 3M. So that 3M looks. There's a tag. Got that crazy air unit right here. Midsole with the air unit. And then another crazy air unit up here in front. Where that Jumpman is at. A little red spot right there. Check out the backbone. These ones have a lot of padding on it. Here's the other side. Yeah, that looks pretty good on these 2011. Sneaker Chop. Alright, let's take them inside. So this is how metallic 5s or 5s in general look inside. There you go, man. There you go. Alright, guys, that does it for another episode of the Sneaker Chop. Comment down below which shoe you guys want to see me chop up next. Like, share down below. And like I said, I do donate. The more this channel grows, the more we'll be able to help out. So with that, I'm out, y'all. Peace. Till next episode.